Hey guys, so I'm going to do a video of my daily face washing routine. That sounds kind of weird, but I know that a lot of people want to know how to get your face clean, clear and stuff, and yeah, so here I go. So first off, I'm just going to put my hair up. So I already have my makeup off because I took it off, but I'm just going to wash my face. I'm just going to put it in a sloppy ponytail because I don't want to get it all in my hair and make my hair wet. Okay. So first off, I use Clearasil Ultra Acne and Marks Wash. It looks like this. It was about $7, which is actually pretty good because it's a big bottle. So I just put that much on my finger, and you wet your face first. You scrub it all in, all around. So there's camera person's hand in my camera. Then you rinse it off. It could actually also be used as a mask, but I don't use it like that. Okay. Now, got to dry off my face. My makeup is still kind of running. Okay. So, next up is this Clinique Mild Clarifying Lotion. And you just put it on a little cotton thing. And this is about $12, which is good also because it lasts about 3 months. So you just put it all over your face, and it feels really good. It doesn't sting, which I like about it. And it gets all your face makeup off. So I have naturally red skin, right here, as you can see. So that's why next up I use this Clinique Redness Solutions Daily Relief Cream. And so if anybody's watching this with redness, I would really recommend this because it doesn't just cover up redness, it makes it go away. Except that it looks like it's really bad right now because if you have redness, you're not supposed to use washes with the beads in them. And I used one yesterday on accident. I used a face wash because I didn't know they had beads in it. So yeah, it kind of made my redness come back, which wasn't good. But yeah, so you just put this all over your face in the redness area. Okay. And it comes in a big thing, but this was $44, which is really expensive, but it also lasts about 3 months, which is also good about it. Okay. And then lastly, I'm going to get this all blended in. Use this Redness Solutions Protective Base, and you just put it on the targeted red area, which for me is right on my nose, on my cheeks. So yeah, you only put this on in the morning, but I'm just putting it on to show you.